The Electoral Commission has assured Ugandans that the biometric voter verification kits will help deliver a free and fair election in 2026. This follows public concern over the use of the new technology. During a public demonstration on December 17, 2025, the Electoral Commission officials explained that the machines will ensure one voter, one vote by allowing only registered voters to cast a ballot and preventing multiple voting.
The system will enable the Commission to ensure that only registered voters vote during the election and that such persons do not vote more than once for the same election. Hence, it will help the Commission to achieve a one man or a one woman, one vote principle.
The Commission says 109,142 biometric kits will be used during the 2026 presidential and parliamentary elections. These will be deployed at 50,739 polling stations across the country. Uganda's voters register currently has over 21 million voters. Each kit includes a voter verification device connected to a central system. On election day, voters will be verified using their national identification cards, fingerprints, and facial features before they are allowed to vote. Once verified, the machine gives a voice prompt confirming success.
The process starts with the voter coming and we verify the fingerprints. We know that in some instances, we're not able to pick the fingerprints because of the work people do. Some of us are farmers and the fingerprints are eroded. And therefore, it's at that point that we use the facial bit to recognize you. That is the second option that we have. And we know that no matter what, that is not degraded.
Some voters have raised concerns and are calling for more public education on how the machines work.
Unfortunately, I didn't find my credentials in the register that they were using. So now, earlier before the process started, they told us that if you come to polling station A and you find that you're not a registered voter at that polling station A, they can scan your credentials and they show where you're supposed to cast your ballot. So when I found myself not in the register, I asked the official to scan my national ID so that I get to know where my polling station is located, which did not happen. So I do not know whether it is going to be the same in the villages where we come from. And of course, about this system, I see it is going to delay us in the process. And I don't think that Electoral Commission has prepared enough to teach our voters deep down in the villages who don't have smartphones, who don't even own a single phone, but they are voters and they might even fear coming to give in their credentials on these machines. So I feel there is still something lacking.
The Commission says lessons from past elections in 2016 and 2021, where biometric machines faced challenges, have helped improve the current system. The Electoral Commission remains confident that the biometric kits are ready to support transparent and credible elections.